Alright, today we're checking out the Husky 4-in-1 Combo Water Meter Key. It's pretty simple enough. Let's go outside and give it a try. Alright guys, when you're outside at your water meter, you usually find a metal or steel plate outside somewhere in your front yard, usually right by the main street. In this case, you'll see it has the water symbol on it. So this particular hole, I recommend you never stick your finger in, just because of spiders, insects, snakes, who knows what can get in that hole. Since a lot of times stuff can live in there without being disturbed for a while, who knows what you can find in it. So with the particular key, it looks like we have two sizes. I'm gonna go with the leaner one. This does go left and right to adjust the length. And that also prevents you from getting pinched according to the instructions, so that's kind of neat. So just stick that end in and pull up. And there you have it. That's what your water meter should look like. I know it's in the shade, so it might be hard to see. And to pull it out. Alright, so it might be hard to see, but there is a valve sticking out right here. It's almost like a little metal flat piece. What you want to do is you want to get your tool in there and twist. It's a little difficult because mine is at an angle, but that's fully open, and that's how you open your water valve from the main. In reverse, if you stick it in and turn the other way, that's how you close it. I know with a lot of issues that are going on lately with Texas and water freezing, this is actually a good way to turn the water off at the meter before it even gets to your house if you want to prevent frozen pipes inside.